Is there a way to increase the heat-up time of a water heater?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common household issue: how to increase the heat-up time of your water heater. This is a topic many of you have asked about, as we all know how frustrating it can be to wait for hot water in the shower, especially in the colder months. By following these easy steps, you'll be on your way to a more efficient water heater and quicker hot water.
Does your water heater need maintenance?
Often, the cause of a slow heating water heater is as simple as maintenance neglect. Sediment and mineral buildup in your heater can insulate the water from the heater's heating element, causing it to take longer to heat the water. Regularly flushing your water heater can help remove this sediment and improve the heat-up time.
Is your water heater thermostat set correctly?
Another factor that could be causing your water heater to take longer to heat water is the temperature setting on the thermostat. If your thermostat is set too low, it will take longer for your water heater to heat the water to the desired temperature. Try increasing the temperature setting a little to see if that speeds up the heating process.
Is it time to upgrade?
If you've maintained your water heater and adjusted the thermostat and it's still taking too long to heat up, it might be time to consider upgrading to a more efficient model or type of water heater. For example, tankless water heaters heat water on demand and can provide hot water more quickly than traditional tank-style heaters. We hope these tips help you improve your water heater's heat-up time. Remember, regular maintenance, correct thermostat settings, and considering an upgrade when necessary are all ways to ensure quicker hot water in your home. Stay warm and thanks for watching.